Anyway, Swiss Watch Expo. Today I'm looking at this absolutely stunning Patek Philippe Calatrava. Ever since we got this watch at Swiss Watch Expo, we have not stopped talking about it. It's been such a big hit here. We all think it is such a gorgeous piece, and it's probably one of the most elegant that we've ever gotten, and that's saying something. This, like I said, is a Patek Philippe Calatrava, so it's got a lot of history behind it, especially the Patek Philippe brand. It's elegantly crafted, it's really well thought out, and it just looks amazing and flattering on the wrist. It's 33 millimeters, so it's this wonderful mid-size that is very popular right now and definitely looks great and is very comfortable and fits very well inside the wrist. It's got this gorgeous satin brown strap, which I really like. I think it would match with a lot of different pieces in your wardrobe. It's not leather, so it won't be too loud or too kind of like what you've seen before. I think that the brown of the satin really enhances the brown on the dial as well. It's got this gorgeous Patek Philippe diamond bezel, which adds such amazing sparkle to it, but I just don't think it's too overwhelming. I think it's gorgeous from far away. It adds just that subtle bit of shine and sparkle, and from close up you can really see how it moves and how the light reacts to it as well. But I think that the most beautiful part of this watch is this gorgeous chocolate brown lacquer dial, and it has this amazing texture that you can see as I move it around. It just is such a neat looking texture. It's not one that I've really seen before, and I love how the hour markers are kind of punctuating like the waves or the folds of the dial as you move it around. It gives it so much depth and interest without making it too flashy or too in your face. I think this watch would be perfect for a lady who wants a really elegant, well-crafted timepiece from a respected brand that will match with a wardrobe that is very kind of business casual or more upscale. I think this watch would be great if you are, maybe a lawyer or something very powerful, an attorney or something, and to just pair and wear it to all of your meetings. It's also very elegant and thin because it is a manual wind movement from Patek Philippe, so it just feels so comfortable and elegant to wear all around. So if you've fallen in love with this watch, just like we all have at Swiss Watch Expo, you should check it out right now because we only have one. We don't know how long it'll be in stock because I feel like this is going to fly off very soon. So you should check it out right now at SwissWatchExpo.com.